What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I got a special bonus video for you guys today. You guys were hounding me, the Chevy guys, my Chevy family, from, I've been a Chevy guy all my life, before BMW, even during the BMWs, I still had me a Caprice or a Suburban or something, right? And you guys have been hounding me for a while. TK, get a Corvette. TK, get a Corvette. Randy had one. You should get one. You should get one, TK. You should get a Corvette. You should get a C8. You should get a C8. You should buy a C8. Get a C8, TK. Damn, man. I'm gonna pull the money out of my asshole. I'm done. But look, I ended up getting a C7. Now, for you guys that follow me on Instagram at TK's Garage, you guys have seen that already. If you don't, go follow me. You can go back and find it. It is the Mamba replacement of the new car that I'm calling the Black Mamba. It is a blacked out C7. But I got something interesting in that vein to show you today. And that is this 2021 Corvette, or I'm sorry, 2020 Chevy Corvette C8. And it is absolutely clean. 1,800 miles on it, and it is absolutely friggin' beautiful. I mean, this thing is legit a work of art. I didn't have an opportunity to really, I saw one at the dealer, but they had like ropes around it. You couldn't even go look at it or check it out or do anything because they were all tripping about, oh, we can't let anybody near the car. Oh, unless you want to run a credit app, you can't sit in it. And it was like, bitch, I'm not gonna spend no money with you if I can't look at the car. What I look like if you don't think I can afford it and I'm already in here and you want me to spend money with you? Hell no, man. I'll ask them to get some more sticky tape. We'll clean this up. But this is a 20. It got here in March. Now we're gonna walk all the way around the vehicle. I don't know why it's here. I am gonna see if I can re-stick this tape. I'm guessing somebody tried to open it and that's why it's screwed up. Yeah. And we can't even get in it, can we? Nope. I wish I could find something to re-stick this tape. Here we go. All right, so we got a piece like this here. Will it stick? Yep. I'm trying here, man. I like to, look, if you're out on a yard and you see this kind of stuff, re-stick stuff, because you never know. Somebody might do it for you for something that you're interested in. Man, this thing is absolutely beautiful. So it took a hit to the rear, huh? Man, this is so much. I mean, considering what Judah's Garage bought recently and put together, this doesn't look bad at all. I mean, at all. It's got 1,800 miles on it. 1,800 miles. Oops. Oops. Let me get over here. Oops. All right, so the rear is all destroyed. This is the other part that's cool too. I don't know if the camera's gonna show it well enough, but look at that, where you can see the engine compartment and stuff. Isn't that sick? Where you can see the engine back there. I like it, man. I really like this. I don't care, man. I mean, what is it? Fiberglass. I mean, I know this is all chewed up. I don't think that this could be fiberglassed and painted. Maybe it could be fixed. You Corvette guys, let me know in the comments. But like, none of the coolant lines. I see a couple of wiring harnesses things are broke here. I don't know what they were connected to, but there's nothing here that screams at me that this couldn't be fixed, right? I mean, yeah, I see the panel down there. It's fiberglass, right? I know it's probably got to be replaced, right? So you need this piece, this panel, and then is that a separate piece or is that all one piece? Okay, so that's all one piece. And then this deck lid, unless you can get somebody to fix this, because it's only right here. Maybe you could get that fixed, and then that would be it. But damn, man, this thing is beautiful, man. Too bad it's dead. I really want to get in it. God. This makes me want to go find a C8. This really makes me want to go find a C8. Like, look at this, man. Wow, this thing is absolutely beautiful, man. Absolutely, positively beautiful, man. Huh. All right, let's see if we can take a look at the interior, and we'll see what's going on here. Wow. It's like, I'm a pilot, all right, so I fly, and it's legit like a cockpit in here. It's so much different than the C7. It just is. Oh my God, this thing is so cool, man. I know I sound like a kid in a candy store, right? I'm guessing I can't get the back to open. Can I get the door to open from in here, though? I know there's a little... And someone's going to tell me where it is after I'm done, right? Hold on, let me see if I can just look in here real quick. There it is. We got it, guys. The manual. Okay. Tape. More tape popping. But there's the actual color of the car. You can see it right there. Look at that. Wow. I mean, this is a beautiful car, man. Absolutely beautiful. Too bad the window won't go up. I wonder what the hell happened. They must have got hit and then killed the battery. That's my guess. That's my guess. Huh. Well, let's see if I can do this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about the C7. I mean, being that I'm actually getting an opportunity to check it out on my own and see it, it's kind of different. It is kind of different. And I kind of like it. Huh. Well, I don't know, maybe Judah's garage to see this, or I know it's going to get bid on. It's going to go for outrageous money, but we'll watch it. We'll see what it goes for. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though, in the comments, and if you enjoyed today's bonus video.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me.